we'd make a little video of replacing or putting in a new blower for our a new blower for our fireplace, because
fan, blower, whatever.
I couldn't find a bunch of videos on this on the internet, and I put one in before and it didn't last very long. So this is a new one. Hopefully it lasts longer, and it will it makes these inserts actually worthwhile. Other than just being a pretty fire, it actually blows out heat then.
Well, let's just unbox it and get it in.
All right, let's do it. So the first thing that they recommend you do, the blower comes with this rheostat for turning it on and then setting the speed.
Yes.
And then it also comes with this thermocouple that magnets to the top of the firebox, or the bottom of the firebox, the top of where it goes on the inside. And they recommend that you test this thing before you actually use it, because otherwise, if it doesn't work, then you install the whole thing in for nothing. So I use this little deal here. I'm just trying to get this just hot enough.
So cool.
There we go. So if you look at the fan, got it just warm enough to get going. It's on the low. Turn this off so we don't gas ourselves out. It's actually a relatively quiet fan.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and... Oops. Got the light set up here. Not for filming, but so that I can actually see what's under there. And this just slides up and out. Put that to the side along with the cat here. Then in order to get in through back here, we have to take this glass screen off, and these are just springs. Pull out and back in, and then this just rotates up and out. So I'm gonna grab the other camera and I'll show what's in here.
Now we are pulling this stuff out.
Just Velcroed in.
Middle.
Wow.
That was loud.
Here's all that. You can see in there these tabs right there. There's two of those, and that's what you can clip the blower into. I think first we'll dust it because it's nasty. This has to fit in through there, which is pretty tight. So got everything hooked up.
Doesn't look very fun.
So turn in this way.
How does it blow air out to the out from the fire?
It sucks air in through the bottom and then blows it up around the back, and then the air comes out the top here. Yeah, I'm gonna probably get in the way of the camera so I gotta
No, you're fine.
get this in. There we go.
The Chinese fan. Was it from China?
In theory, this one was made in the U.S.
It fits pretty tightly.
So it pushes up against the back there. And then those two tabs that are in here just get folded up to hold it in place. Up against the wall. So there you can see the tabs. And then it just sits up against the back wall there. And then the thermocouple sticks onto the underside here. I just realized, I think that's the magnet from the last thermocouple on the other fan. So let's give it a shot. Right now we're just gonna put the glass back in so that we can run the fireplace.
And then if it works, we can use and put it back in the screen over here.
Cleaned the inside. Let's clean the outside real quick. And we've got these little clips down here. And those just clip on. Alright, do you want to go turn on the fireplace?
Oh, okay. Yay!
So you don't want to take the glass out because it vents the carbon monoxide from the burn up through the vent to the ceiling. You can see now kind of hard to see, but the fan's running in the background. Our thermostat reached 120 degrees, so that kicks on, and then it turns off if it gets below 90. I've got the speed adjustment here. I think for the most part, we'll probably leave it off because we really only need this when we have a power outage. We've got propane, so we can still run the burner, and I've got a generator so I can still turn the fireplace on, but our furnace is electric, so we don't want to run that, or we can't with our generator. So
Gotta put the little screen thing on first.
put that on first.
And then we need to put this screen on so that you don't touch the very, very, very hot glass.
I could, if we are interested at some point, drill a hole through the deal here, and then
hot air's blown out. And we are done.
you can feel the heat coming out.
Yeah.
So that's it. Maybe this will help someone.